Tropical tropical called desert. DESERT desert. Climate.
DESERT.
T is remain. Desert climate. Desert climate. Position. Position of this is position of this climate is what's one there is it's the 20 degree to 30 degree of latitudes of latitude and that is our north and south. Yeah, this is the most important to while writing that the position it means about the tropical desert climate you must write the position. If you don't write the position and the place where it found and what is which position does it lies means you are not the absolute answer is there. Therefore this you should mention in it here. And this is the in the both hemispheres. Beyond that is a savanna, right? And most of the deserts are located in the western side of the continents, along with the paths of the trade winds, which are dry, and the Sahara, Arabian, Persian, Thar, Colorado, Atacama, Kalahari, and Californian, Mexican deserts lie in this region. Most of the deserts that found in the western parts of this western sides of the continents. प्राय जति पनि ठुल्ठुलो डिजर्ट्सहरू छन् त्यो कहाँ पाउँछ त वेस्ट कन्टिनेन्टमा पाउँछ वेस्टर्न कन्टिनेन्टमा आउँछ बिकज वेस्टर्लाइज विन्ड what does it make it dry and then never rainfalls and therefore it remain dry and convert into deserts. पानी परेन भने के हुन्छ मरुभूमि हुन्छ त्यो पानी हुन दिँदैन त्यहाँ वेस्टर्लाइज due to the westerlize wind. Yeah, what's the climate here? There is an extreme climate is here also. Yeah, harass climate, very harass in this region. Climate is very harass and very hot throughout the years. The temperature in the day raises up to 49 degrees Celsius to the 55 degrees Celsius. When here the temperature reaches to the 30 degrees, we are the Sansa and Fafa. Does it or not? Oof, oof, isn't it? It is right now in the monsoon. Even we feel little warm, isn't it? Where today's August, it's a water. Cool. Climate, when and where change and how change, it's a nature's balancing. But there is that during the day, the temperature near the deserts is reached to the 49 degree to 55 degrees Celsius. But it falls direct at night the 10 degrees Celsius. Night temperatures of here during the day temperatures. Day temperature here that's our position is become that's our now second that the temperature during day what's 49 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 49 degrees Celsius to the 55 degrees Celsius. The Sahara को छेउछाउमा 49 55 सम्म पुग्छ. Night at night 10 degrees Celsius means that's it's a cold 10 degree cold 10 to 7 to 10 7 सम्म fall down हुन्छ. In the Sahara, it means that the desert areas, right? In the savannas and unlocated there is and there is hmm, it's a tropic of Cancer. Therefore, the climate is extreme, and this region, as this region lie in the high pressure belts between the tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. It lies in the tropic of Capricorn and tropic of Cancer. That you understand? Where is the tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn? को बारेमा थाहा छ? Huh? This is that is about 0, and from that the 0 degree equatorials. If that lies here like this, and here it is this, then that is about 23 half degree tropic of Cancer. यो तल आउँछ यो भ्याउँछ 23 half degree. It is a tropic of Capricorn. Understand? So here, this climate is actually found in that somewhere here. यहाँ पाउँछ यो अघि हामी जुन इक्वेटोरियल भन्दा माथि बुझ्यो ब्रो इक्वेटोरियल भन्दा माथि therefore it's a Capricorns and trade winds and then the sterilize occurs there and blow outside. Yes, and rainfall and then the moist winds of the do not comes from the sea. Moist यसले ब्लक गरिदिन्छ मोइस्टलाई जब त्यहाँ आउँछ भ्यापोर भएर माथि गइहाल्छ त्यसैले त्यो रिमेन ड्राई हुन्छ and it's a rainfall is a scanty rainfall is there कहीं कहीं पानी पर्छ and that's about rainfall is about rainfall rates about rainfall rainfall of theirs rainfall is just to only 15 centimeter of that is the throughout theirs. What's the rainfall is 15 cm. It's very little there is 150 mm. Other there is or not? Vegetation of theirs, of course this is the dry is there, the scanty or the cactus. There's 20 types of which can high temperature and also vegetations very poor. This region, if there is no rainfalls, how the vegetation reach there? Very poor there is and the what's the thorny types of leaves? They have a few thorny leaves to prevent that is our loss of moisture. Thorny protect that the moisture of the leaves. So that the thorny type of grass or crops is grown there is such as cacti, thorny scrub, and the bushes are found there here, and in the deserts the oases. That the first day I talk about the oases. Oases in the vegetation. Vegetation. We are talking about the vegetation. Vegetation in the deserts. What there is a oasis. Moisture land in the deserts, where the crops can grow. Or crops able to grow. That places is called the oasis. मरुभूमिमा जहाँ चाहिँ पानीको स्रोत र प्लान्ट्स ग्रो हुन्छ त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ ओएसिस भन्छौँ यस what is there is a oasis people grow date palm food grains fruits and vegetables. The many animals found in the deserts is the camels. We can stay the water without waters for longer, and that some of the rabbits, fox. There is a rat that found there is a. We have questions say that's about like here the rats not that there is a fox and some that's a carnivorous animals. How do they survive in the deserts? Like a fox especially. How do they fulfill their thirst? What do the such animals adjust and resist their bodies? They kill that is above animals and suck their blood, and from that blood they fulfill their thirst. They lace, eat and suck the blood, and fulfill their thirst. Whereas the rats and rabbits depend on the cacti plants. This is moisture, and they would while they eat that plants, it is a soft, fleshy plant is that, and with the water in the such a thorny plant has the moisture, you can say the water source is there high, and they fulfill their thirst from the areas. Understood? There in the deserts, like the animals are there. And they're the long distance and stand and the board feet. Why the animals were like a camel is called the sheep of the deserts? It has a board feet. Yes, eyelids it has, which save it from that is of sand dust, isn't it? These are the easy for the sheep is there. What the distance? Eyelashes, a little fat, more water collect in the hump, and it is the adaptional characteristic animals is there. Adaptional is a hump, they store water in the hump. And there is animals like that, the foxes, kangaroo, jackal. Yeah. These are whole animals during that summer. They live during the day at the hole. Because it is extreme hot is there. Under the ground there is a pool. And when there is night they come out for their searching of foods. They comes at night. During the day they can't because the temperature is so high. So such animals can't survive there. So at night they hunt animals. Yes, all the animals that live in the deserts come out at nights. People also. Where the extreme climate, their house is not like here. We are in the hot climates, cool climate is here. So here, our building is 4 stories, 2 stories, 3 stories, 5 stories, etc. Right? Whereas, though live in that is equatorial regions, equatorial climates, their house is underground. Yes, from the sand, the extreme hot, for them. Other there is a what's one? Tropical monsoon climate is very, very important for surviving peoples, and among them it's a very favorable climate for the peoples and it's surviving. It's from that the tropical monsoon climate that lies from that 0 degree to 5 degree to 30 degree of the latitudes. Yeah, 5 to 30. There is a 20 to 30.